This OurTown Realty property video is presented by Myra Pruit. Beautiful home in Mitylene Forest off McElmore Road. Entrance foyer is really nice with arched openings, high ceilings. Home has split floor plan. The great room is open and spacious with fireplace and opening for television above. Formal dining room is spacious as well. Kitchen has lots of cabinets, pantry, top floors and breakfast area looking out over backyard. The home has security system and a sprinkler system. Also two-car garage with turnaround space. Home has new HVAC system October 2019. Call today. You do not want to miss this fabulous one-owner home. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Pruit at 334-301-0903.